Hey guys, my name is Austin Gregory, and in this course, I'm going to teach you how to create the classic Rocket Defender game, where you're going to have these baddies, these enemies falling from the sky, targeting your bases, and you have to shoot them with rockets. So if I were to click play here, we can see my timer counting down. I'm shooting these. We can just imagine they're rockets, and these enemy things are falling from the sky, and they're targeting my bases, and if they hit them, they'll damage my bases. And I get points depending on how many bases I have every single round. And my rounds are based on 10 seconds, but yours could be based on anything from number of enemies per level or a random set of time between values, depending on whatever you'd like to do for your game. And every single round, it accumulates score and it keeps adding to it. So you just keep playing until you lose. And then once you lose, you just start all over. Play. My name is Austin Gregory, and I will see you in the first lesson.